the change in volume is delta V, and the initial volume of this cuboid is V, and the surface area of this cuboid is A, then the volume strain will be change in volume divided by initial volume. Now using this expression, we can write the expression for K, and that comes to minus P times minus delta V over V. Or you can write minus P over delta V over V. Minus sign here, minus sign is appear just because when you apply any normal force of the surfaces of this cuboid, then volume will always be reduced. So this negative sign indicates that whatever the value of force is applied in this type of situations, then the volume of this cuboid will always be reduced. So negative sign just indicate the reduction of the volume, right? Now, so K equals to PV times delta V. So this is the expression for bulk modulus. This is the expression for bulk modulus. The unit of K will also be same as the unit of Y. Unit of K will again be Newton per meter square. Right? So this is the bulk modulus. Now, here we write a note. एक नोट हम लिखेंगे. What is the reciprocal of this K? Reciprocal of this K is known as compressibility of the battery. Compressibility, that is represented like this. This compressibility का मतलब ये हुआ कि कितना बॉडी कंप्रेसिबल है, यदि उस पर हम फोर्स अप्लाई कर रहे हैं तो कितना कंप्रेस हो पा रहा है. That are calculated and measured by this bulk modulus, and you can define as the reciprocal of bulk modulus. Reciprocal of bulk modulus K. Reciprocal of bulk modulus K gives the compressibility of that material, of the material. इस मटेरियल की बॉडी बनी है एंड उसकी कंप्रेसिबिलिटी फाइंड आउट करना है, तो जस्ट वी हैव टू टेक द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ दिस bulk modulus K. So the S will be 1 by K. 1 by K. As soon as the value of K is increases, जैसे जैसे हम K की वैल्यू को बढ़ाते चले जाएंगे, वैसे वैसे S की वैल्यू कम होती चली जाएगी. The value of S will be decreasing whenever the value of K will go on increasing. This indicates that the body will be less and less compressible. Means body will move towards to become a incompressible body. Value of K is increases. यदि आप K की वैल्यू को इंक्रीज करेंगे तो S की वैल्यू हमेशा डिक्रीज करेगी और बॉडी विल भी, और इसके consequences क्या होंगे? बॉडी विल बी लेस compressed, बॉडी विल बी लेस compression, बॉडी विल बी लेस compression. हमेशा क्या हो जाएगा? यदि K की वैल्यू को हम इनफाइनाइट कर दें, if the value of K tends to infinite, the value of S will be what? 1 by infinite G. कोई ऐसा फोर्स एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता जो कि किसी बॉडी को, किस तरह की बॉडी को कंप्रेस कर सके. क्या ऐसा पॉसिबल है? नहीं. आंसर है नहीं. Such kind of cases is not possible. ऐसा कोई फोर्स नहीं है जो बॉडी को कंप्रेस ना कर सके. This is the idea. It's a theoretical calculation just. So this is the about the compressibility of the material, which is calculated by the bulk modulus, right? Now we will discuss the third kind of coefficient of elasticity, and that is the modulus of rigidity. That is the modulus of rigidity. Modulus of rigidity is represented by the letter eta, and is defined as eta equals to tangential stress it is the ratio of tangential stress and shearing strain या tangential strain. एंड आप हमेशा ध्यान रखेंगे कि एक टर्म हमेशा इसके साथ जुड़ा हुआ है विद द लिमिट ऑफ इलास्टिसिटी. हम इलास्टिक जो लिमिट है उसी के अंतर्गत सारी बातें करेंगे. तो अब शेयरिंग स्ट्रेन क्या होगा? व्हाट इज द शेयरिंग स्ट्रेन? यदि आपके पास एक ऐसा बॉडी है, आपके पास इस तरीके का है बॉडी, सपोज क्यूबॉइड ले लेते हैं, जस्ट टेक क्यूबॉइड. इसका लोअर सरफेस, ये जो लोअर सरफेस है ये फिक्स्ड है, लोअर सरफेस इज फिक्स्ड है, और whenever you apply a tangential force on the upper surface of this cuboid, is the upper surface, the surface if you labeling A, B, C, then D, E, F, G. Whenever you apply an external force tangentially to the surface of this cuboid, upper surface of this cuboid, then the upper surface gets displaced by some angle with this initial shape. So the condition will be like this. This is the final condition. It will be shifted by an angle theta. By an angle theta. This is known as the shearing strain. The angle by which the upper surface is shifted with respect to the lower surface of this cuboid is known as the shearing angle or shearing strain. Now if you calculate the value of theta, then you can easily find out the expression for this eta, this modulus of rigidity. The surface area of this upper surface AB, area ABCD is A, the force is F. Now see here, the triangle FD, and this one is D prime. Let's D prime. FD prime, and if the length of this is L, then tan theta will be